Today I will show you how to automatically label emails in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. First thing I want you to do is log into your Gmail account. Once that's done, I want you to come here and access this search bar. I'm gonna click on show search options, and you're gonna add the email that you want to label. Let's say we want to label emails from this sender that has a subject invoice. So every invoice email that comes from this sender, what we want to do is we want to give it a label that says, so we're going to come here, we're going to come to apply label, new label. So we're going to name the label urgent, and we're going to create. So you see automatically the label is created here. And once we create filter, anytime that email sends an email with the subject that includes invoice in it, is going to come to the urgent label. And that's how you automatically label emails in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.